Aloha, my name is Nakamoto. I'm originally from North Shore, Oahu, and I currently live in Ewa, Oahu. I'm studying at this time to get my bachelor's degree in biology, and I look forward to going on to a career in optometry. So Risen Roots was a poem that I was inspired to write one day. I was actually volunteering at a lo'i patch in Hawai'i, and it kind of dawned on me the reality of what the life of a plant really is. To me, I feel like the huli of the kalo is like us as humans. So we have to first make sure that we're pono in ourselves first, or righteous in ourselves first, and make sure that we're living a life that is positive and will leave a good legacy for our keiki. And I feel that the roots of the kalo are kind of like our ancestors. And not only the roots, but also the surrounding aina, or the earth that surrounds the kalo. Because we have to look towards our ancestors to figure out how we can best live our lives, because our kupuna are very intelligent, they're very akamai and very resourceful. They took into account that the natural resources that we have today, for instance, just food or kalo, really is gifts from God, or gifts from above, that we need to learn to steward and take advantage of those things. And I feel like the other aspect of growing a plant or growing the kalo would be the rain and the sun, which for me I feel like is like the wisdom and the love that comes from above. And in that, when you bring all that together, so the huli, the roots, and the nourishment that comes from above, I feel like it'll build a strong foundation. And once you have that strong foundation, it'll allow the kalo to grow fruitfully and grow successfully. And when that foundation is built, the kalo is able to bloom its own leaves, which I feel like would be our keiki. And once the keiki are bloomed and ready to flourish on their own, they can look towards us and towards our knowledge to pass on to their keiki also.